What's in store pa for Miriam aside from the courtroom drama?
Yes, so it's currently we're gonna be going to LA in October for the LA Film Festival. Pumasok din siya doon. So it's gonna be shown on Netflix actually by the end of the year. Then we're doing one international show, actually hindi show, movie. And then I'll be doing a series this year. Actually next year pala, and one movie this year that I'll be directing as well. So yun for announcement.
Alden, nasa lang, is there a chance to work again with Katrina? Maraming
pag may opportunity po, we'll see. Tingnan po natin.
So far wala pang pagbitigan na?
Wala pa po, Miss Janice.
Ayun, si Parol Janice.
By an actor, Benjamin Alves, magpakilanman, Mister na walang misis, GMA7, Martin Del Rosario, magpakilanman, Almost a Champion, Danilerio, The Amazing Arizala Story, GMA7, Kokoy De Santos, magpakilanman, A Son's Promise, The Kokoy De Santos Story, GMA7, Gabby Eigenman, magpakilanman, Mana sa Inang Ama, GMA7, Edgar Allan Guzman, magpakilanman, Love Times 3, The Joel and April Riedel Love Story, GMA7, Alden Richards, magpakilanman sa puso at isipan, The Cantillana Family Story, GMA7.
I think I'm wearing your suit in that photo, bro. All right, and the star for Best Single Performance by an Actor goes to Mr. Alden Richards. Magpakailanman sa puso at isipan, The Cantillana Family Story, GMA7, and presenting the award is PMPC PRO Eric Borromeo with Honorable Mamay of Fununungan, Lanao del Norte.
Check. Mga na Roby. But anyway po, I know it's kind of late, but I would really like to take this opportunity to of course, thank PMPC for this award po. But portraying the role of Andrew Cantillana is one of the most important roles I've done in my 15 years in the industry. I would like to thank, of course, the people behind Magpakilanman, of course, Kuya Senny Tipe, who's here, my director, Direk Gina, and to all the cast members that was part of that storytelling. This award is not for me. I dedicate this award to those who are experiencing mental health problems. I think mental health is somehow unheard by the society, and the reason why I accepted the role is for me to be able to send a message to all the people who's going to be able to watch that series. Dahil ang mental health po ay hindi biro, hindi siya iniisip lang at gawa-gawa lamang ng mga nakaka-experience nito. Me personally was a victim of mental health issues. And growing up, my mom had bipolar depression, so I knew and I know exactly what it feels like, how it is to live in a household na meron po ganong klaseng suliranin. So with this, I hope that being an actor, I'm just so proud of my job, and I'm sure all of the people who's here tonight, because with our job comes a lot of responsibility, and we are able to send messages from different walks of life. Kaya sana po, with this award, I dedicate this to all the people who's undergoing something in their lives right now. The hardships, the struggles, napakahirap pong kalaban ng isip, napakahirap pong kalaban ng sarili. And I've been there, and I know. So to everyone who's listening to this message, to everyone who has these kinds of problems right now, I hear you, we hear you, and we are here to support and help you the most we can. So para po to sa lahat ng mga taong dumadanas ng mental health issues and mental health problems. And to the Cantillana family, if you're listening and watching this, sinabi ko to before when I did a Facebook live stream for the episode. I'm here for you guys. I know how it feels like. And one way or another, malalagpasan din natin lahat ng to. So this is for you guys. This is for those people that's part of our society. And of course, Lord, thank you so much for making me an instrument to send messages and to be of help to the ones in need. Maraming salamat po sa PMPC and good evening.
Our Bingo Plus Male TV Star of the Year is Alden Richards. Okay, so congratulations, Rian, for winning the Bingo Plus Award.
Congratulations, Rian. Congratulations. At para sa ikalawang special award sa gabing ito, ating kilalanin ang male and female face of the night. That is my favorite award, Alden. And to announce our winners, let's call on stage Corporate Executive Officer of IntelliBuilders and Development Corporation, Ms. Cecil Bravo, together with Mr. Miguel Bravo, Director and Engineering Assistant. And they will be giving out cash, bouquet, and lei to our winners. Kasama rin nila